Hello friends, welcome to my channel Abhishek Singh KGMU, presenting to you another vlog of my college life. आज मैं थोड़ा सा लेट उठा क्योंकि रात में क्या था, कुछ पेंडिंग वर्क था तो उसे करते करते कब 12 बज गए पता ही नहीं चला. सो टुडे आई वोक अप around 7 o'clock and after getting fresh I decided to do some workout after a very long time. And today I skipped jogging because there was not much time left, as there was our class from 8 AM today, SGT actually. After that I went to mess to have my breakfast, where I met my batchmate Akash Kumar, with whom I discussed today's lectures and their topics, and also discussed some funny events that happened in our hostel yesterday. He is a very lovely and enjoyable person. So after doing my breakfast, I am returning back to my room to get ready. Today there are 3 lectures, one of anatomy, one of biochemistry, one of physiology. And he is one of my friend, Mukul Gautam. Hello. And he has written some application. Then I suddenly remembered that post lunch we have a lab today, so I decided to get clean shaved. And also stage viva of anatomy was also coming soon. This is our physiology SGT, in which the 2 students you are seeing were given some task. After that we went to hematology lab. Here we were supposed to perform an experiment in which we had to prick our finger, take out blood and fill a capillary tube with it. You can see I am doing the same.
फिर प्रेस करो, हटाना नहीं वहाँ से, कैपिलरी लाइन में दबाओ, फिर से प्रेस करो, लगभग भर गया.
The purpose of this experiment was to calculate our clotting time.
हटाओ नहीं, दर्द हो रहा है बोले तो थोड़ा घर जाना. अच्छा,
After filling it, I had to break it in pieces step by step. You can see I had break it and the piece has hung with it by a fibrin thread which had been formed by due to clotting. And now I am pasting those pieces on a piece of paper in those circles you are seeing. These pieces are broken after a gap of 30 seconds each, and the piece that has been hung by a fibrin thread is actually our blood clotting time. You can see it has come out to be 210 seconds. And this is another chart for calculating bleeding time. Now we are preparing smear. I had pricked my finger and going to make a smear by using those glass slides. And you can see I am staining it with Leishman stain. And now after a gap of 8 minutes, I am pouring buffer solution onto the slide.
I must say beauty. What do you say? Beauty. Beauty. बस हो गया बहुत. भाई कैपिलरी का कैटरपिलर हो गया. तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. मेरी फोटो लिया, खुद भी फोन कर दिया उसका बेचारी का. इतना आया नहीं जितने बबल है.
And after performing the experiment, we are disposing the needles. Just after, when our classes were over at 4 PM, we went for our singing practice, as we were taking part as a music band in Rhapsody, an event organized by our seniors. This is my friend's guitar. He was trying to teach me some chords, but I find that it's not my cup of tea. After returning to my hostel, I decided to complete my some pending work. For example, completing my anatomy gross manual. Drawing diagrams is the best way to learn anatomy because it is basically based on structures. So we should try to draw as many diagrams as possible. Right now I am drawing the diagram of anterior region of the neck, which includes larynx, cricoid, thyroid cartilages. I am drawing them, and I am using the book Vishram Singh, which has beautifully illustrated diagrams. After completing that, me and my friend Pushpendra and Abuna sir decided to practice some basic skills of a doctor. For example, listening to various types of sounds, for example vesicular sounds, bronchial sounds, and after that I tried to check his biceps reflex by an instrument you are seeing. It is the knee hammer or patellar hammer. I am trying to see his supinator jerk and now triceps jerk. This is the blunt end, this is the sharp end, and we will strike from the blunt end.
देखिए यहाँ पे किया एकदम साफ साफ, आप ध्यान से देखिएगा फिंगर को। आपने देखा कैसे फिंगर ने मूवमेंट किया, असल फिंगर डॉर्सली फ्लेक्स हो रहा था।
After that I sat down to study physiology for a while. I was doing MCQs from the book Arvind Arora, which is a very useful book if you are trying to do MCQs. And right now I am trying to draw the olfactory pathway from Ganong book. And in the evening we went to Saraswati temple where we all practiced our performances for Rhapsody.
जब सच सुन भी ना पाए, सच कोई बोले तो तू नियम कानून बताए। तेरा डर, तेरा प्यार, तेरी बात, तू ही रख रख साडा हक है तेरा, साडा हक है तेरा, साडा हक है तेरा। इरादों में तू ओ हर घड़ी लग रही तेरी कमी, ले चली किस गली ये जिंदगी है पता लापता।
After returning back from Saraswati temple, I went for dinner. You can see salad, aloo की सब्जी, पनीर की सब्जी, और आज सेवइयाँ बनी थी. And you can see my plate. And we enjoyed our dinner along with watching IPL. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you have liked the video, enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for giving me such kind of support and love that you are giving me. Recently my channel had touched 500 subscribers, for which I am very thankful to you all. It means a lot to me. And you have seen our event freshers party in our college, and another event is coming soon. Keep spreading such kind of love that you are giving me. I will soon post another video regarding my next video will be regarding Rhapsody. So stay connected. See you soon next time. Until then, it's your boy Abhishek Singh.